हेलो एवरीवन, PD2 मिनट्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड के बारे में। आई विल गिव यू सम टाइम, लुक एट द स्टेटमेंट केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू मार्क द करेक्ट आंसर इन कमेंट सेक्शन। So now let's look about Lakshadweep Island in our statement. First says 9-degree channel separates Maldives and Minicoy Islands of Lakshadweep. So actually this statement is incorrect. So there are three basically channels that you should be knowing: 8 degree, 9 degree and 10 degree. These are the three very important channels from the geographical point of view in your UPSC journey. So 8 degree channel basically separates Maldives and Minicoy. 9 degree separates Minicoy with the rest of Lakshadweep, and 10 degree channel separates. I'll ask all of you to comment in the comment box. Okay, so 9 degree channel wale option is galat. Second says Lakshadweep is smallest union territory of India in area and population. Now looking at in this statement, आपको लगेगा कि ये थोड़ा आंसर गलत हो सकता है, but this is the fact that you should be knowing about the Lakshadweep, that Lakshadweep सबसे छोटा यूनियन टेरिटरी है इंडिया का. So this statement becomes correct. It is the smallest union territory both in terms of population as well as area. It is just 32 square kilometer in area, inhabiting 65,000 population with 96% of its population as Muslim. So yes, this statement is correct. Lakshadweep is under the jurisdiction of High Court of Kerala. So yes, this statement is also correct. So basically the two islands of India, Lakshadweep and Andaman. Lakshadweep comes under the jurisdiction of Kerala and Andaman comes under the jurisdiction of Kolkata High Court. So these are also the facts that you should be knowing about. Then last statement, Pitti is the uninhabited island and also the only bird sanctuary in India. So now this is also a very fascinating fact about the Lakshadweep. Pitti word कहाँ से आया? Pitti word मलयालम में वो होता है bird. Okay, so Pitti word in Malayalam means it is a represents bird. So yes, it is an uninhabited island. Man does not live, no one inhabited this, and it is the only bird sanctuary of Lakshadweep. So which is the state bird of Lakshadweep? It is that you have to answer in the comment section. So our answer becomes only 3. So जिन्होंने 3 ऑप्शन मारा है, मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. इस साल लक्षद्वीप वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ द कंट्रोवर्सी बिटवीन लक्षद्वीप एंड मालदीव्स. You should be knowing decent fact about Lakshadweep. It is a kind of atoll. It is of coral in origin. All these things you should be knowing about. And from knowing about, you might be able to answer very decently in the UPSC prelims examination. So those of you who have marked option C, many congratulations. For more such video, follow PD2 minutes. Thank you.